Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salad using fresh ingredients from your Goa garden. First, let's gather our produce. Head out to your garden and select the most vibrant leafy greens, such as crisp lettuce and tender spinach. Don't forget to pick some aromatic local herbs like coriander or mint. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the more flavorful your salad will be. Always wash everything thoroughly before use. Next, let's enhance our salad with more delightful components. Consider adding colorful vegetables such as juicy red tomatoes, refreshing cucumbers, and vibrant bell peppers for crunch and sweetness. For a more substantial meal, you can include a protein source like boiled chickpeas, cubed paneer, or even some grilled chicken. Finally, prepare a quick, zesty dressing with the juice of 1 or 2 local limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a dash of salt and pepper. Now comes the fun part: assembling your masterpiece. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine all your freshly washed greens and chopped vegetables. Once everything is in the bowl, take your delicious homemade dressing and drizzle it evenly over all the ingredients. Using 2 large spoons or salad tongs, toss the salad lightly. This ensures that every single leaf and vegetable piece is beautifully coated with that wonderful, zesty flavor. To complete your garden fresh salad, add a final touch of freshness. Garnish your beautifully tossed salad with a sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs, perhaps some more coriander or mint from your garden. Serve your salad immediately to fully appreciate its crisp texture and vibrant, natural flavors. This easy recipe is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish, and it typically yields about 4 generous servings, ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.